In this video, I'll break down the top 5 OBD2 scanners and which OBD2 scanner I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best OBD2 scanner and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Ancel AD310. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It is a reliable and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that excels in quickly diagnosing vehicle issues. Its standout feature is its ability to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes with clear on-screen definitions, eliminating the need for external resources. This makes it especially convenient for both beginners and experienced users. The device also supports live data streaming, allowing users to monitor real-time sensor performance, such as engine RPM and oxygen levels, which is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent problems. Built with durability in mind, the AD310 features a sturdy plastic shell and an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand. Its 128 by 64 pixel LCD screen is backlit and adjustable for easy readability in various lighting conditions. It supports all major OBD2 protocols and works with most vehicles manufactured after 1996 in the US, extending compatibility to many European and Asian models. The AD310's plug-and-play simplicity requires no batteries, as it draws power directly from the vehicle. It also offers freeze-frame data and IM readiness tests, making it a versatile tool for emissions checks and deeper diagnostics. At number 4, we have the Motopower MP69033. The MP69033 stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness as an OBD2 scanner. Designed to diagnose most vehicles made since 1996, it supports 9 OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with a wide range of cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its plug-and-play functionality requires no batteries, as it draws power directly from the car's OBD2 port. The clear LCD screen with backlight ensures easy readability in any lighting condition, while its intuitive interface and 6-button navigation make operation straightforward even for beginners. Performance-wise, the MP69033 quickly reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, provides freeze-frame data, and streams live engine data such as RPM and coolant temperature. The built-in DTC lookup library simplifies code interpretation, saving time and effort. While it excels at basic engine diagnostics, it does not support advanced features like ABS or airbag codes. At number 3, we have the Foxwell NT604 Elite. The NT604 Elite stands out for its comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, making it an excellent tool for car owners and DIY mechanics. This 5-in-1 scanner supports ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine diagnostics alongside full OBD2 functionality. Its ease of use is a highlight. Simply plug it in, and the AutoVint feature automatically retrieves your vehicle's information, streamlining the setup process. The scanner excels in performance with accurate readings and live data streaming, which can be viewed in text or graphical formats. It identifies issues efficiently and allows users to clear trouble codes and reset warning lights. The built-in DTC library provides detailed code definitions, eliminating guesswork. Additionally, the device supports over 60 car makes globally, ensuring broad compatibility. Durability is another strength, with a solid protective case included. Lifetime software updates keep it current with evolving vehicle technologies. At number 2, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its professional-grade diagnostic capabilities combined with ease of use. It connects seamlessly to iOS or Android devices via Bluetooth, transforming your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic tool. The free BlueDriver app offers an intuitive interface that displays live data, trouble codes, and repair reports with verified fixes from a vast database. This scanner excels in enhanced diagnostics, accessing systems like ABS, airbags, and transmissions for supported vehicles, features often reserved for more expensive tools. It also provides advanced functionalities such as freeze-frame data, Mode 6 tests, and smog check readiness. The live data graphing and logging feature is particularly useful for identifying intermittent issues. Build quality is robust, ensuring durability, and the compact design makes it easy to handle. Regular firmware updates keep it current with new vehicles and features. While limited by app dependency and specific vehicle compatibility for enhanced diagnostics, the BlueDriver remains a top-tier choice for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. At number 1, we have the Innova 5610. This is the best OBD2 scanner you can buy on the market and is a feature-rich bidirectional scan tool that excels in providing advanced diagnostics for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its standout feature is its bidirectional control, allowing users to send commands to vehicle systems to test components like fuel pumps, AC clutches, and electronic parking brakes. This capability streamlines diagnostics by enabling direct interaction with the vehicle, making it easier to pinpoint issues and verify repairs. The tool supports a wide range of vehicles, including domestic, Asian, and European models from 1996 onward. It offers enhanced diagnostics for systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine, along with live data streaming that displays real-time performance metrics in text or graph formats. The Innova 5610 also includes advanced functions such as oil light resets, battery initialization, ABS bleeding, and DPF regeneration. These features make it a versatile solution for both routine maintenance and complex repairs. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Innova 5610 features an intuitive interface and a clear color display. It pairs seamlessly with the Repair Solutions 2 app via Bluetooth, providing access to a database of repair solutions and enabling users to save diagnostic reports for future reference. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability for frequent use. What sets the Innova 5610 apart is its ability to perform dealership-level procedures like system calibrations and relearns at a fraction of the complexity. So that sums up my top 5 OBD2 scanners. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.